The largest Galaxy S24 Ultra leak is arrived, and it's coming from Samsung itself. The Unpacked event is just a few days away, and you already know that there is a huge risk of leaks. First up, some brand new hands-on images of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. We've seen this device in the wild a bunch, but this time around, we're also checking out the box. Not surprising, though, it is essentially an exact replica of the S23 Ultra packaging. Furthermore, it contains, you guessed it, just a USB-C cable. Let's now examine some official Samsung marketing materials that corroborate and shed light on a few important aspects. First, the Notes app now has Note Assist, a new function, on the S24 Ultra. It's able to summarize, format, or even translate your rambling notes into crisp bullet points, reducing both time and energy. Additionally, the S24 Ultra will have a nightography zoom, which will improve zoom performance in dimly illuminated areas. With all three of its S24 models, Samsung boldly claims a peak brightness of 2600 nits, a considerable improvement over its predecessor. Another remarkable feature of the S24 Ultra is Circle to Search, which launches a Google search for the precise thing or item you circle on your screen. It's amazing that it functions on text, photos, and videos without requiring a screenshot. Additionally, they are showcasing Live Translate, which transforms foreign languages into your native tongue right there on the phone app. Here are some additional details about each of the three S24 phones. The charging speed stays the same as last year, and only the Ultra model will include a titanium build, and the other two S24 phones will have reinforced armor aluminum. Furthermore, Samsung is verifying that the S24 Ultra does, in fact, have a flat display here, in case you were still unsure. Additionally, remember to claim your $150 before it expires. There are just a few days remaining. Simply enter your name and email to reserve it. Do not include your credit card information. In addition, you will receive a storage upgrade, $970 worth of surprises, and $150 for the S24 Ultra, $100 for the Plus, and $75 for the S24 if you choose to pre-order it. All of this will happen on the 17th. Going forward, Ice Universe has provided us with a list of changes to anticipate for One UI 6.1 on the S24, which includes enhanced frame rates for more fluid animations, the elimination of background blur effects for energy efficiency, non-linear background scaling, more noticeable elastic animations for icons, and a new user interface that guarantees stable and seamless app operations. Also, interestingly, he supplied this footage of the S23 Ultra possibly using One UI 6.1. Now we will get right into it. The standard Galaxy S24 has a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It uses Samsung's new M13 OLED panels, which are shielded from damage by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and Armor Aluminium 2.0. The rear of the phone has three cameras, a 10-megapixel telephoto, a 50-megapixel primary, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide. Additionally, it will run on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in the USA and Canada, with the Exynos 2400 powering it in the remaining nations. We will receive 8 GB of RAM and a UFS 4.0 drive with a capacity of 128 or 256 GB. A 4000 mAh battery and a 25-watt quick charging unit are included. It should launch between $850 and $900. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, the most expensive model, is officially here. With a resolution of 3088 by 440, the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display uses Samsung's new M13 OLED panel, which is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Additionally, it has a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 5 times the megapixels of the 50-megapixel primary camera, and a 10-megapixel telephoto zoom that can be used 3 times. With the S24 Ultra, we can get up to 12 GB of RAM with a choice of 256, 512, or 1 TB of storage, a 5000 mAh battery, and 45 watts fast charging. The anticipated launch price is $1,250. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.